Welcome to the best days of our lives. I'll go right ahead. We had the pleasure to visit a social enterprise, a cooperative called Birdland. So what they do is they offer their service of printing posters and promoting different events. It's not something totally unique, but they do it in a way different way. So the difference in the way they work is that usually in Athens they print hundreds of posters, place them all around the city, and in the end those posters are on the ground and just creating mess in the city. So what they do is they print specific amounts of posters and carefully choose where to post them. Mainly in cafeterias, so they make because they make partnerships with cafeteria shops, so they put them behind the window so they can reuse almost all of them afterwards, which is they're solving a very important problem, and that is the main service they provide. That's how they make their main income.
So they also care about recycling system. They use all the posters to make bags and other small items as cups, for example. And they collect also posters from 20 different places in the city center to bring them to their recycling factory in order to recycle them. And they collect almost 2 tons per month. So they can make money out of them, 60 euros per ton. So they are also an environmental sustainable company.
The best part of this company is that it's equal founded. So there is no boss, there is no founder. All the members are the same level. So and this company employ like poor people that need money and artists that want to sell their works for a little income.
Valentino, why do you recycle?
Well, that's why. They have already bought my new car, so well.